Je dia du dia. I just over me ra Yesu. Dia du dia. I just over mu. Abusia. And the Kobias has started to media no so. We a endless beef. Beef of the century. What I say? Beef for a throne chada. Between Kevin and Comedy Taylor and Kwadwo Sheldon. Kevin Taylor and Kwadwo Sheldon was a beef no there. Ɛwɔ hɔ a bɛn sɛ emu ahanyan ɛna da biara so ɛyɛ Kevin Taylor di nka bɛhanyan mu. I don't get it. Kevin Taylor da biara ɔna bɛhanyan beef ni mu. Wasai abɛwae ekuro n'ani ama Kwadwo Sheldon abɛ blast no. Kwadwo Sheldon in fact wamɛda Kevin Taylor wɔ cookie no. Ɔde ne si just wa noa no ha. Wamɛda no. Aha yi Penyah Broadcast Media. Mɛsrɛ sɛ ɛne die mu. Obe like video da ma wo subscribe button na ba click bell notification icon no latest update na ba kire wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment section message so oba so na share video ma nwa so enya bi ahwe the beef between Kwadwo Sheldon and Kevin the community tailor there menim da beef we be ebetwa e generational beef enya ende ye ana all the time bi e Kevin Taylor e dey nkan bam obeka ya 2 years ago H0T airdrop enwum bi na enwum no and Kwadwo Sheldon was trying to analyze the song. What I say, don't say or KSS breakdown with KSS. It will be about you or time no analyze, or promoting you in media, so any other day. It is your airdrop and I could share the fan. I know he was doing his usual analysis on the song. Emuna said, it not to the Ehu Hawa, could share the AC breaking, and I say, they feel the vibe, they feel it. It's a catcher could share and said, ma on delete ne nyum bia wa post whatever post wa make about no H0T on delete enya sa obesiw no o man 15 working days emu na Kevin Taylor bam out of nowhere Kevin Taylor bam make us 15 days go dey dose na me massive kakra me amount this was just 2023 obeka me amount wo ho it no instead of say 15 days no why don't you let me sort you out mama ma wuska na ne si Kwadwo Sheldon ni ekwo me Kevin Taylor de mempenas me nyekwa na ko dam 2 years ago ana beef na gina mu a ayebola soja e ho na asori kakra na akoda din na asori kakra ye be ko election kura na esa solid boom ema etuo din ye to be wiye mahama we ni eja obi atim ba bi din ye nkan wasem ibe won se Kevin Taylor asobedi Kwadwo Sheldon atem ese ni tisegui ana Kwadwo Sheldon ka so ade a Kevin Taylor eye ne de o di na temdo journey or the life savings ebesiu Kevin Taylor obesiu no with the life savings obesiu no emu na se Kevin Taylor so be ye video di na temu a tutu ayampia sese ne kwase nyina keka bi kire no kan ya ka so mu follow no kura no mu ye nwan o mu follow Kwadwo Sheldon no e wo social media no mu ye moa mu nya moa ko mu follow we Kevin Taylor kasa ase wiase nyina ne de o akwai kasa anumbia de o ya de o na busa 2 days ago yanka bi shemu anyo za Kevin Taylor abane Twitter currently known as X obas eno make it tweet eno say I have located where that big-headed fool lives in Virginia. I'll make sure ICE picks him up and also the person trying to fake document for him. I promise you win. Oh yes mehu baby a Kwadwo Sheldon ewo Virginia City na me share ne bo say only papers there I will call the ICE people on him. I will call the ICE police on him. And the question is, Kwadwo Sheldon eko USA recently. It is only papers would American grant him entry into the country? Kevin Taylor, it is a Kwadwo Sheldon papers and America be entry into the country. So when a particular Twitter Kevin Taylor every key about Kwadwo Sheldon, and we this particular tweet crown, and the comment that in fact the comment section disappointed Kevin Taylor. What I say? Nana Pokuba said, stop playing with the minds of ignorant Ghanaians. You think the ICE team just wakes up and go and arrest somebody on? That is the master. Jan Kwasake Kano, Jan Kwasi Assembly. So the kind of argument there go. What say? ICE, no, almost just sorry one day. Now they just go and arrest someone. Jan Kwasake Kano. What I say? Anna, yawa expert say irrelevant Kevin Taylor. Anna Kwadwo Wood say who is he talking about? Why can't who can was me? Why? Anna them go talk to say going this far just to settle a score. You are wasting energy on nonsense. How about channel that passion into something more productive? Just a thought. Or making this particular post no and penifase kakum ya dun kokuo num na o say afa ya tv free Kwadwo Sheldon nankasa enum because ono na asem no FIRS obetimi abe ma counter defense Kwadwo Sheldon so eba na Twitter honom a and also make it tweet for first tweet or try say I am not behind this account. This individual is a fraud taking money from people under the pretense of advertising for them. My only official Snapchat handle is Kwadwo Sheldon GH. Any other account is fraudulent. Do not fall for it. If you do, you are on your own. On that Kevin say Kwadwo Sheldon a fraudster. I don't know why Kwadwo Bongo others became Kwadwo Sheldon were fraudster. Or many accounts I just said trafficking. What the ebu amanfo what I say what they smuggling media and so put with amanfo nude the Joe Muska media and so I think that one channel way so at the fun of doing that on Snapchat and look share the editing can eclair say channel way now 31.1k followers on Snapchat no enyane dia na ono at Kwadwo Sheldon 2 eno nyane dia ne Snapchat account or Kwadwo Sheldon GH. After that, I make it the second tweet. And what I say? When you spend your whole life in a white woman's basement, it messes with your thinking. So we spend the abra show you basement, USA, broni bin on a hewa, like you don't have a life. Just a routine. Babysit, wash dishes, point the camera at your face, and go to bed. Just say, or just Kevin Taylor anyway. I do all every day. Ni say, or him kura ufie. No the camera AC no so can kwasi yasem. Na they asan wakwa akoda. We ni adwuma me nsan oye. Who need friends? Just say no friends. You can't even return to your own country because there's an active court warrant awaiting you. If it's a court warrant, and it is true, there's a court warrant on Kevin Taylor. Kevin Taylor was a fugitive. Kevin Taylor is fugitive by the law. That's why your bad was yes. Kevin Taylor can go to endless jail. Yes, he's a fugitive. In case you care to know, Kevin Taylor is a fugitive. Anna shared this out to us. I said, and in the USA, nobody wants you around because you are an asshole. Couldn't be me, bro. We are outside, free, and not fugitive in our own country. And me, Charlie, one about Kuruba won't mean anti free, but even me will be crop. But me a fugitive, me anti free, it took I call USA, but free, our party isn't even in power, yet still, we are moving freely. Your party grant question on MPP already were declared the standard. So, the party grant near Bemi. Still, on free. Wow, party crowd of our office. Wow, party what power crowd. Over Ghana on a mountain. What it? What on a soldier border? What a soldier? A soldier bugger. Ultima crony finfi and out to try ampia. Who a chill and out to boba inside. That's the real pain. Hope you find happiness one day. Damn me. All I say. And to make it this particular tweet, no. And was Saturday another tweet. Bye. And what I say. I know his low IQ followers believe in the lies he spew all the time. And that's fine. Because for a country that ranks 8th on the list of all low IQ country, I don't expect much. Meaning say na adwene omo mudi na chi no. Omo adwene mo ha adwene no emo mre. Omo ye low IQ people. Eti enye mo so omo gine de visa Ghana kura no. Ewiase nyina omo ye omo adwene wo fo emu nipa ye nkwasiafo omo ntime nwene a Ghana ye rank 8. Eti nya nwanwa. Enye nwanwa se wonya enwan ni bi edi na chie a omo esoso ne so. But just know he is irrelevant in the grand scheme of things. Tiatia say oni what I say. You can't relevance part there. Ketu abc oni bi. And make it the last tweet. And what say waiting for ice. Post a picture. There's also the ice eba for ice ebra ebechime. I am waiting for you. And as a question so effortless ni bi make reply to that. And Adwa Chirakra say he think He thinks the United States is like Ghana, where stupid leaders rule. Kemtra kasa said the okase USA they say Ghana. Ghana na wo ti na wo command the president. You are not and you're not controlling Donald Trump. Ofui, and you're not controlling Donald Trump. So we say Kemtra versus share the beef no there. Minim that to betwa. Kemtra e de bancha we bomum ama share den abe madam. Obeke ka bi pa e de akire no. To you, what is your take on this? Who say Kemtra say oh dwa nanum too much. Kemtra kasa dodo. Na wakwatem obi abetra njo na odi natem. Afeso obi sie ne shoni bako bo Kemtra din a na Kemtra followers nkwasiafo ye egu comment section say without Kemtra you can't do your show. But there be a Kemtra so tini show so di amanfo atem. And omu nka ho asem. Every fa bo Kemtra din pe. When Kemtra efres no man say mo no muntimi nwena na adwene se bi do mutirim no. Omuso yes without Kemtra you can't do your show. But there be a Kemtra so so bo free fa dini. E ma nlet kwa so free fa e kwataketwa free fa. Ero de na followers ani age. Na no followers ani age. Jimmy and I don't blame them. Because if you take your wisdom, so for Nyansa Africa, I say Nyansa Nagasa Winnie. I drink Nagasa Winnie na like concerning this pardon, Mahama a commission a launch no. Pardon Mahama a launch no. I saw Kevin Taylor doing some analysis as Nyansa. So we can set him with Jimmy for your boy, you money to Uncono. Nasim Nyansa, they will say, Afibia or Babako a super 136 packs of pad. Afibia in a year. Yenya calculation. Afibia almost 12 months. Nyame nyanse mo ye message say bosun bia oba ebu ninsa once in a month. The cycle happens once in a month. And it means say afibia almost month be almost 7 days for menstruation. And once in a month. And in other sense 12 times in a year. You go bosun bia once. Obebu ninsa once. Just 7 cycle but once in a month. Oba bia bu ninsa 7 cycle. 7 days in a month, just once. 7 days in a month. And in 7 days, no. Only 2 packs of pad. Or is it 2 packs of pad could be better? Cobronians or you say 1 pack of pad for 1 cycle, but it go more heavy flow. 2 pack. And it's 2 pack. I mean, say month your buy 2 packs of pad. Month year almost say 12 months. For 2 times 12, I say 24. And the Kemtra Kunya calculation on him for calculating say or buy 2 pad 136 in a year. On Jimmy aye kan Jimmy ne bi ni o Jimmy aye kan bi ni o kasasa onimu nyansa o kasasa nyansa kan o kasasa nyansa kan kire wadwe mame e wo comment section hi Penyah blog.